Hello everyone. So let us do now a problem on circular lamina. Okay, so far we have done the remaining shapes. So the only thing left for us to do is the circular lamina. So you have circle only in your planes. Okay, so you don't have circle in other things. Why? Because if you take circle in a solid, suppose a ball, so no matter from which angle you see, it's always a circle, right? So there is no point in that. But whereas if you see your plate, so if you see from top, it's a circle. If you see from side, it's just a line, not that what is that, some round step plate, not like that plate, just normal this. Suppose there are two protractors. If you see this, so this is like circle, right? So if you see from side, it's just like one line. Okay, so let us see the question over here. So here the question is a circular lamina of 50 mm diameter. So they have given diameter as 50 mm, which means our radius is half of it, that is nothing but 25 mm of radius. It rests on HP such that one of its diameter is inclined at 30 degree to VP and 45 degree to HP. So see here first they have given the inclination of VP and then HP. Usually they give the inclination of HP then VP. Okay, but here it's ulta. So first they gave about VP then HP. VP is vertical plane, HP is horizontal plane. Draw its top and front views in the position. Okay, so let us see now how it's done. So like he said, the diameter is 50, so I have to take 25 as my radius. Okay, so make sure whenever you draw the circle now, it's very easy for the invigilator to find out whether you have drawn a circle correct or not. Why? Because since it's exactly like 25, so the edge, it will touch to that lines, okay, which it's already there here. Wait a moment, let me just finish and then I'll show it to you. Not so good, but still, as you can see here, make sure this and this, it's touched properly. Okay, here the basic rule while doing the problem on this circle lamina, it's up to you. See here what you have to do. Usually they make 8 parts. Okay, why? Because it's little bit easy for us to do. I'll tell you that. So let me just show you now. So here it's exactly on this, right? So I should take a line like this, then I have to take a line like this. Okay, so from this line to this line is my visible edge. Okay, so I didn't write here x y, so let me just write that, and this is always VP and this is HP. Okay, so now see here, here there are two things you can do. One, you can simply divide this into equal 8 parts. Okay, so now it's 4 parts, right? You can either do like this. So you have to take a 45 degree line. Okay, then from here you have to take a line like this. Okay, so you can do like this. If not, you can erase this line and give a equal cut here, so that will make 3 4s are 12 lines. Okay, either you can do this 8 wala or you can do 12 wala. See, I suggest you, if you are learning and if you are doing the for the first time, instead of making 6 equal parts, 6 is right, no, sorry, 4 equal, 8 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yeah, instead of making 8 equal parts, try to make 12 equal parts. How? Means see, from here to here now, so you have to take divide this by 3. Okay, so like that you have to, it's simple. So this is 90, so 90 by 3, so you have to take 30 degree here and 60 degree like this. So okay, so keep your protractor. Okay, so take a 30 degree, mark it, take a 60 degree, mark it, and if you draw the line and just extend it. Okay, no need to measure again this side. So same way you can measure this side 30 and 60 and put, that will give you 12 equal parts. While I solve, I will tell you why we need more parts. Okay, so because you are doing for the first time, so you need more number of parts. I don't need more number of parts. Why? Because I already know the idea of doing this. Okay, so as you can see here, I have now 5 lines going up. Okay, so for this circle, no matter from which side you see, they are all are like one edges, right? There are no corners for this, but still I have selected particular points. So this, let me say this is my A, B, C. So this will be my D, E, and I'll write F little bit up. So this will be my G, this will be my A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Don't think I was not knowing alphabets. Okay, so I'll write the notations here also. A dash, so this will be my B dash, but in the bracket H dash. Okay, so this is my C dash in the bracket G dash. So this is my D dash in the bracket F dash, and this is my E dash. Okay, so now let me just see the inclination given for that. So it says 30 degree to VP and 45 degree to HP. So for HP it's 45, for VP it's 30. Okay, so now what I have to take a 45 degree angle from here. Okay, so this is my 45 degree. Okay, and this is my A dash point. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to measure from E to A, or else simply just measure 5 centimeters, because your diameter is 5, right? So it should be 5. Yeah, exactly 5. Keep on A and cut it. Okay, now 2.5, take 2.5 exactly the center one and put a cut. Now you have to see, in compass sometimes from here to here it's very like too small, right? And here it's not, so it's simple na, don't go like that, just measure from here to here, A to D. Okay, see now from here to here, if I measure like this, I can keep here and cut like this over here, and see it's the same from here also, right? So I can just keep on this point and cut here like this. Okay, oh sorry, it got checked. It's there over here. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just put lines, then I have over here. Okay, oh it's exactly, not exactly, but little bit side. Just a second, I have to be precise. Yeah, so this is my B and H, right? So I have to bring this here. First let me write the notations here. B dash, H dash. So this is my C dash, G dash. So this will be my D dash, F dash. So this is my E dash. I don't need the extra line, I'll erase that. So this lines straight till here, and this is D and F. So see, D stops here, so I'll take this till here itself. Okay, it's exactly on this line itself anyways, or yeah, it's then this E. So nice. So now see here, here are the points and here are the points, so respectively. So from each point I have to come down and intersect them. Okay, A. So now B here. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put lines from this side. Now so make sure from here to this point, so both the points the line will touch. Okay, see here also, here also touching, and here also it's touching. That shows that your circle is perfect and the points which you got is perfect. If they are not equal and up and down, then as soon as the invigilator or the examiner who corrects the paper, he will just put wrong, because they are very particular, and they expect a lot in these things. Small errors they won't tolerate, they will get irritated and they will give less marks. If I see myself a student who is doing engineering and does a silly mistake, I wouldn't give any marks at all for that guy. Okay, so A is here, so B, see here, B is here and B is here. If you come down, it's here. Okay, I'll just highlight the dots for you. It should be visible, I guess. Now C. So, okay, I didn't take lines from C also, but anyways, it's just like this for G also. It will come on this itself now. Okay, so this is my C, so this will be my D, and this is my E, so this will be F automatically, and this is G. So the thing here is, okay, so this is H. Okay, H. See, I got this points. Now, if you had taken 12 sections, na, I would have got even more extra 4 lines here. So, which will give me more like precise lines through which I can connect my what to say lines, dots like that. So, now see here, it shouldn't be an oval shape, it should have smooth curves. Okay, how to say that, suppose there is a circle, and if it goes like this, it should give one smooth type of edges. Okay, so first what you can do, you can simply take a slight shading type lines. Why? Because it's very easy to erase them. Okay, after you take like shady type, then aram se what to say, you can put lines, or else there is one instrument especially made for these kind of things. So in that now you can make what to say, circles like this, but I don't know the name of that. It's some kind of set square itself. Okay, not so clean, but still more than enough. So I can see where I have made mistakes. So it's in this side, slight not so good curves here and here. Okay, I'll just correct that. Fine, right here, and so just hope that you don't get a set of paper where you have this circle. Why? Because it's very easy to do in systems. Okay, but while you do in book na, so it needs some good skills. Then anyways, I hope this should be more than enough. It's not so clean or neat, but still, if I just have like the camera is upright, so I just have to take a closer look. If not, I cannot make it properly. Anyways, I'll just redraw the what to say, erased lines. This should be enough anyways. Okay, so this line is dark, don't forget. And then what he says, it's 30° like this. Okay, so now see, this is the resting edge, right? So this thing went up, so this thing will come down. So see, let me write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So this A, okay, A is, this thing should tilt like this. Understood? Because this is, it's resting on, see, whichever point is here now, that one point only will come on this 30° line now. Okay, so let me take 30° from here. Okay, let me take it from here, because that's too high and it won't look that neat. It's fine, you can still take. See, sometimes what happens, you cannot take angle from there, so it's better you take it from here. Now I forgot where did I take it from. 30 degree. So this I will consider here. This is fine, or shall I take it from here? A, no, I will take from here. So I will consider this as my A. Okay. So see here, if this is my A, so I can take E arms, right, because it comes in the same line. So let me just do like that. Okay, so it will come here, right? I just cross check it once. Yes, correct. So now I have A. Now what I will do, I will try to cut from this point, this H wala place. Okay. So see now, one small arc I will put here, light one I will put here. Same way I will do this. Okay, here also and here also. Okay, array, first I could have taken this G, right? It's more easy for me to get. So see here, to take G, just a second. The pencil just slipped out. Okay, so let me first erase this. Okay, so I have my A and E, right? So from E I selected G. Okay, so one arc like this, and from this point one arc like this. I could have done at the same time. Yeah, see at both the place you have to put an arc and just erase the extra part. So see now I got my another two points. Okay, now I have to take E in HF and BD. So since I have 1 2, so I will use this 2 as a like corner and try to get B. Okay, so see here, from C to B I am measuring. Okay, I will keep at C now here. I am not saying like C here now, I am saying C is here. Okay, C. So same way I have to put here also. Okay, I will do the same here. This is my G. Okay, kind of looks like one bug. Okay, so now from C to B I measured, so I will measure now from A to B. Now see, it will intersect. Array. Not so perfectly, but still we are able to get one intersection, right? That's all it matters. If you are good in drawing, then you can understand aram se and make something from your own. So I'll just pause the video and try to make this neatly. Okay, because if I try to make it neatly, my head will come below the camera. Okay, so just a second. For you it will be a second, for me it will be a moment. Okay, so here we go. After some efforts I was able to do it anyways. Okay, so the points are a bit erased. I will just measure it again. Okay, so here we have a correct point. So first I will just draw lines upwards. Okay, why? Because sometimes because of the lines I won't be able to write the notations, right? So first I'll just put the lines up, then I'll write the notations. So make sure your lines are straight. don't make it cross. Okay, so now I can write A here. So this is my B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so G, I can write our answer, right? Yeah. So F comes like this. So this is my H, I guess. Okay, H. Nice. See, actually I was just speaking slow. It's not my voice or your phone problem. Anyways, so from here a line goes like this. Don't make cross lines. I might have done in quite a few places because I'm not having a proper front angle because I'm seeing from the side, right? So I have to make a distance from the camera too. Okay, so this is touching here and this is a bit above the line. Anyway, so let me just show you the lines how it has come. Okay, so I think you should be able to see them how it has come. So I should just match now A, L, okay. Also I'll just show you the points exactly where it's coming. So A is here, so here A is here, so this will be my A. So B is here and B is here. If I go up, so this is my B. C, and where is my C? A, B, C. So this is my C, right? Yeah. So this line is my C line. So D. Oh, I didn't take a line. So anyhow, it's on this line itself. Okay. So D is here. So this is my D. C, D. So my E. E wala is line this. Okay. So here, see. Anyhow, E comes here, right? So this is the same line E. Now F. So this should be my F. This should be my G, I guess. Yeah, G. And this should be H, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Okay, so it's not that difficult here. I just have to make a proper edge here first, and here also a proper edge. Now it should be simple to join them. I just missed in the end. Okay, but still it's good, right? From a side view I try to do the very best I could. So anyways, in computer I mean, yeah, you have two options. One, either you can join straight lines, okay, to each point, and then convert those straight line into curves and then give your own shape. But there is also a line where you have already a curve line, okay. Directly if you just select the points, automatically it will go and keep on making curves. So that is also a good option if you want. I used to go with that option itself because making straight lines and converting them into that curves, it was a hectic task, and yeah, it always didn't give the perfect straight right good shape. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Yeah, the shapes are a little bit odd, but still you can try to do this, right? So I hope you understood this sum, and yeah, see you in the next lecture where I'll be explaining about solids.